What's up, guys? Cesar Barbosa here with NPS. Can you hear me okay? Here, maybe this is a little better. I gotta wear this face mask. It's not just for COVID-19 regulations, but being up here on a white membrane roof on a full day's work, you go home with a pretty tanned face, if not even burning. So you can see my guys out here, they're wearing their mask too. But anyways, hey, listen, I wanted to show you this cool product that's right behind me here in this box here. It's called the RST Automatic Cleaning Station. It's by a company that was established in 2011. From what I understand, they have offices in the US, Latin America, and the Middle East. Now, although I'm not endorsing this product, I did wanted to show it to you folks as an educational purposes, because as you can see here behind me, essentially what this O&M provider here has done has been that they've implemented this cleaning solution here on a fairly small percentage of the system, kind of as a pilot beta run. And as I'm out here today, I'm looking at this unit, and it's pretty comprehensive. I mean, it's obviously powered by water. I read some of the statistics on the unit, and it says that it runs about 1 to 1.5 quarts of water, which basically equates to about 50 cents for every 100 panels. Now, that doesn't include the kilowatts, the electricity usage, but I imagine, as you can see here, there's a cord that's actually connected to a 120 plug outlet. I can imagine that's also cents on the dollar. Maybe this unit probably here runs about $20 a year, if that. But anyways, let me show you a little closer look, because right behind me here, I mean, even from a stance, maybe you can tell the difference. Maybe not, but I can certainly see it here, right? Where this general location here is washed by the station, and what it really looks like, if I could get you a better view here, is that it's kind of like, works like an irrigation system, I guess. It's got these proprietary, pretty cool flexible nozzles here, which basically it's 2 per module. Now this is, I think this is like a Q cell. It's a pretty large module here, and so it's got 2 nozzles per module. And I mean, I'm looking at this module here, and the whole thing looks to be pretty darn clean, guys. And so it definitely looks like it's touching the whole module. I don't see any residue at the bottom of the module. Sometimes during a washing, that tends to happen. A lot of the residue can tend to build up at the bottom of the module. This looks, whether it's due to the pressure that the nozzle is putting out, or just the tilt on the module, I couldn't really tell. Although the product does list that it does have enough pressure to push this water off the edge. But this array certainly has no indication that there's any buildup here. And so I wanted to show you what a module that doesn't have this product looks like. You can look a little closer here, and you can see that. I mean, it's a fair enough delta here. You can certainly see it from far away, and I don't know, I just thought it was pretty cool here. There's no secret that as a professional designers design a system with inevitable losses due to soiling. There's been some studies that show that it's somewhere around 20 to 30%. Not quite sure how true that is. I'm sure that there's some outliers with that, but I did want to show this kind of unique washing system to you guys if you're interested. I'm pretty sure the company's still around. Please feel free to do your own research. But here it is, the RST Solar Automatic Washing System. I looked them up online. They look like they're still pumping out product, and that just there's no question about it that it's doing a good job here. So anyways, hope that was useful, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.